Best advice for a pest control company to grow revenue is having good client and customer relationships. I'm always a fan, and I'm always telling clients to have great touch points with customers, have frequent touch points with customers, and build that relationship. The customer lifespan is really, really important, and just establishing that connection and that relationship is huge.
In the pest control industry, growing revenue is essential to making sure you're attracting the best talent and being a major player in the industry. One of the things that I've seen recently is growing million-dollar branches locally and creating an efficiency through a central office. If you can have one person manage those million-dollar branches, you don't have to find a very high level of expertise, and it's much easier to find those people as opposed to someone that can run a $5 million branch.
Growing revenue is a tricky and hard things to do, but understanding the model of advertising and finding an appropriate social media marketing company to work with is going to be probably one of the best tips of advice to be able to do. But when you're doing that, right, you also want to understand the cost per lead and the overall percentages that you're spending as a base of revenue. But building into that too, right, we want to be able to determine recurring versus non-recurring, so that way you can see how much already existing revenue you can use to funnel and feed into your marketing expense.
Growing revenue is a constant attention to marketing. We like digital marketing, we like door-to-door marketing, but it's really important that you don't just go out and do it, that you track it, that you have dashboards, that you look at your Google results, that you look at your door-to-door results, and you make sure that you're tracking well, because you can literally go broke getting rich in this business if you spend too much on marketing. So you need to really control that cost and or find money, outside money, so that you can bring it in and do a successful marketing plan.
When you're looking to grow the revenue, you got to make sure that you understand all of the aspects of your marketing, what you're spending it on, how successful you are, and not just throw money at the next favorite thing, whether it's a Google ad or a direct mailer. Make sure that you're tracking it and that you're understanding how successful you are from the sales that you get.
Making sure we have a clear marketing plan, and then also monitoring that marketing and advertising, and making sure we're actually achieving the growth to kind of justify the cost of our advertising spend.
My advice for pest control companies looking to grow revenue is choosing the right structure for tax efficiency, whether it's an S corporation, a C corporation, or a partnership. Utilizing the proper business entity tax structure will essentially help in maximizing your tax deductions and available credits that you will be able to take within any given tax year.